Let me guess, you get to spend money before you make money. If somehow they will pay you money without you paying them some beforehand, go for it. Or are you tired of trying fake money-making methods that people teach on YouTube or Facebook? Don't worry, guys, and give this super special website a try. This is all in one website. You will get different tasks here by which you can make dollars for free. You just have to do some clicks and will receive a huge amount for that. Sounds fantastic? Before we move towards our website, hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, where I always showed up with brand new money-making methods online. If you are willing to make a lot of money, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you will never miss any updates. This simplest method doesn't need any skill, degree, or experience. Also, you don't have to spend anything from your pocket. Now you have to open your internet browser on your smartphone, laptop, or PC, whatever you have. Open Google and search for paidera. I will paste the website's link in the description box so you can directly jump on the website without any hassle. Open the website and take a look at the firms they have provided to make money. This website is 100% free and legit. This is one of the best platforms to make money online. To earn money online, paidera is one of the greatest platforms. There are many ways to earn money online, like complete surveys, paid quizzes, tasks, and referrals. There is a good thing for users that according to your finalized tasks and quizzes, they pay you a handsome amount. It is like a part-time job, and I make more from home. Currently, paidera is safe and paying to its customers. We will be concentrating on being paid per click. As you can see right here, you can conduct endless tasks. We are delivering endless assignments to satisfy every day and make no boundary to what you can make per day. You can get paid by inviting friends. And also, they delivered instant payments. You can attain the minimum payout lobby. Then you can request your instantaneous payment effortlessly. So, now you need to come over to paidera.com and you will sign up by making an account. And you have to click on Create an Account or I want to create an account. It's going to take you over to the other page where you have to type your first name, last name, username, or valid email address, set a password, confirm the password, and then click on the Sign Up button. To create your account, you agree to the terms of conditions and privacy policy. Once you log into paidera, you will see your dashboard where you can track your earnings. We just got 50 cents as a sign-up bonus. Now here on the left-hand side, you are going to have all of these diverse methods to make money with paidera, which you can use in order to maximize your earnings. All I need you to concentrate on, you can start to do some surveys. You can download apps. You can do tasks. You can invite your friends and upload videos. You can do so many things to make money. I will show you some examples right now. So, once you are logged into your account, you can do surveys and earn 40 cents, 50 cents, 35 cents. And there are several surveys that you can do. In fact, the surveys are endless. They add new surveys every single day. So just click on the refresh button and you can see new surveys popping up. Then you will go on the page and start taking surveys. The truth is that you don't have to actually answer any survey. Yes, you heard right. You just have to click on this blue arrow button, and then you are going to load up this website. Once it finished loading, they are going to ask questions. You just have to click on either one of these answers. Just simply click on whatever you want, because it doesn't even matter and they don't even care about your answer. The reason why I like this website is that every single button that you click can earn you 50 cents. If I answer 2 questions, it means I have made $1. You can also get paid per click. So it's $3 per 1,000 clicks, so you will get paid for every click that you get on your referral link. People don't need to sign up. They will just need to click on your link and you will get paid. I will show you how you can set up an auto-click system to get those clicks in a completely passive mode. If someone signs up for the completely free paidera to start making money by completing those surveys on the left-hand side, you will also get paid an additional 10 cents for each person that you referred and he signs up. We can literally refer millions of people to our link. You can share it on social media groups or anywhere you want. I am going to show you how we are going to make some bonus money. So you will just need to copy your special referral link by clicking here, and then you are going to share it with other people. You can see that you can get paid through PayPal. They offer the PayPal payment, which is great because it's the most continent withdrawal method. I hope you are following all the steps because that way by the end of this video, you will have everything ready and set up to start making money. That's all for today. I hope you liked this video. If yes, give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. See you with a new website.